you hungry? Do you want some chicken tenders? How about some sweet Thai chili chicken tenders in the air fryer? We're gonna need a couple ingredients for this, so let's see what we're gonna need, shall we? Alright, so for these sweet Thai chili chicken tenders, we're gonna need 2 eggs. We're gonna need this box from House of Autry. I find 2 eggs seem to work for the amount of chicken tenders I get. And we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of water. The box says 1 tablespoon, but in the box there's 2 packets in it, and that's what I end up using. So let's get this prep going, shall we? I need to break 2 egg yolks. I should say 2 eggs. Like so, no shells. We're going to need 2 tablespoons of water. One, 2, okay, so we got that situated. Now we're going to need to open up our box here. Move our egg mixture over a little bit. Might have been easier to use a pair of scissors. I've learned 1 package doesn't seem to work for me, so we try to use 2. We got our wet, our dry, an extra plate for seasoning. I'm gonna take our chicken, put in our egg yolk, our egg and water mixture, as so. It's nicely coated on both sides. Making a mass. Shake off the excess yolk. Put over in the seasoning. As is. Notice I do this one-handed, so this way I don't get all the egg yolk and stuff into the concoction, making it thicker and it's got some nice coating on there. And we'll throw this on another plate. There's a nook in there. And then we start another plate for our coating. We're going to repeat the process until all our chicken tenders are coated. Do you like chicken tenders? That batch done. Grab some more chicken tenders and we'll keep repeating the process until all our chicken tenders are covered. Once our chicken is all coated, we will set our air fryer for 350 degrees and 20 minutes to get it preheated. Once our air fryer is preheated, this is where we'll put in our chicken tenders. Well, that's not bad one there. Might be able to get one more in there. Some of them are thin. And then after 10 minutes, we will flip them over to finish cooking the other side. After 10 minutes, your timer will beep, and then we will flip these chicken tenders over to cook the other side. They should start forming a nice crust on here, and they are hot, so don't burn yourself too much. And then we'll put them in for the next 10 minutes. After 20 minutes, this is how they came out. You're going to want to make sure these are 165 degrees. I've done so already, so we'll take these out, put them on a plate to try. Ooh, they are crispy, well coated. Don't burn your hands because these are hot. Whoop. But are these good? We shall see, shall we? Let's try this one. Nice and flaky. It's got a little zing to it. It's got a nice crunch factor. I really enjoy these. If this helps you, and you can leave a like and a comment. It does help me a lot. I hope you enjoy this and have wonderful eating.